I grew up eating this Creole-style sausage dish. It is a fast, flavorful dinner made from pantry staples and a package of sausages. Hi friend, come on in. I grew up calling this Creole sausage. I don't know where the recipe came from, and I know it's changed a dozen times over the years, but it's always been fast, filling, and made from whatever was in the pantry or freezer. Like many comfort dishes, I had a love-hate relationship with it. I never liked red sauce with bacon as a base. So over the years, I tweaked it into something that fits my tastes, and now it's something I actually look forward to making. In a large preheated skillet, I placed a little fat. Use what you like here, lard or oil. I want to soften my onions until they hit a light caramel color. This brings out their natural sweetness and gives the sauce more depth. Once I have the onions to my liking, I add in the garlic and the diced bell pepper. Green bell pepper is traditional in a lot of Creole or Southern dishes, but if you don't like the flavor, swap for red, yellow, or orange for a sweeter, milder flavor. Mine are frozen, but they will take just a couple of minutes to thaw and soften. Now for the sauce, I'm using 1 can of diced tomatoes. I drained about half the liquid so the dish didn't end up soupy. And for the star ingredient, I'm adding in a pound of sausage. When I was a kid, that meant hot dogs. Now it's whatever sausage I've got, smoked, kielbasa, even brats. If I like it, it'll work. I keep the spices simple to let the sausage shine. About half a teaspoon of paprika, smoked if you have it, and salt and pepper to taste. If I'm using a milder sausage or hot dogs, I'll often boost the flavor with onion powder, garlic powder, and a little chili powder for zip. The sausage is already cooked, so technically I just need to heat it through, but I like to let this simmer for a bit to let the flavors come together and reduce the sauce. Once it's had a chance to simmer, stir in 2 to 4 tablespoons of tomato paste or tomato powder to thicken it up to your liking and round out the flavor. We always served this over boiled potatoes, just salt, pepper, and butter. It's a perfect pairing and everything soaks up the sauce beautifully. This meal is deeply pantry friendly, totally flexible, and comes together fast. Yes, even from frozen sausage. And if you do like bacon in your red sauce, you can absolutely start this by rendering some chopped bacon before the onions go in. This dish is simple, flexible, and budget friendly. Let me know if you give it a try or if you've got a dish like this from your own family table. If you like seeing what you can cook from your pantry or freezer, consider subscribing. I've got more recipes just like this coming up. And thanks for hanging out with me today.